No, no scratch. You ugly kitty cat. I know you ain't find me.
Huh?
Who you talking to? I thought so. Now back to you, you goddamn kitty cat. She's kicking my bag. See, I don't deserve this. Me and my bag don't deserve to get kicked.
Let me go pick at you.
You say they eating shit? Huh, I can give you some shit to eat.
No, look, you got pooping at me for laughter.
You say they eating poop?
Now go get my gloves on. And I go pick it up with my gloves.
Everybody, she like getting glove per her ass. Oh, she chill. I'm going to chill. Yo, see the aggressiveness? Yo. Yeah, this is out of pocket, yo. See that? My own computer? And she dropped it. That drop, I'm done. Chill, you're drawing it.
That's not so heavy.
I know, right? Heavy duty, right? Heavy duty goes. What else heavy?
Get that thing away from me.
Who are you talking to? I don't know you.
I'm going on your Facebook.
Where your phone at anyway?
I'm not telling.
I'm not telling you either.
It's like my phone. I can't open this thing.
Oh, that's a shame. She can't open her own laptop. That's embarrassing. She can't open her laptop.
It's not about you. I know it's embarrassing to you.
What?
It's poop. That's what's embarrassing
Oh, wow.
to you, okay? Opening this up.
Whoa. She said embarrassing me that she can. Well, let me rephrase that, okay? She said we're embarrassing her that she eat poop.
Shut up!
I don't know.
I'm going to Facebook though.
Everybody, she on Facebook. I'm gonna tell you her Facebook name.
I talk to
And she all the naked pictures of her and stuff. You wanna see? I'll show you it.
Oh, you can't see
And she had been in nowhere and stuff. Getting large, getting large. I don't gonna say that, but yeah, that's my information.
Why it's not working?
She being aggressive now.
Thank you.
Can I have my computer back? La. Can I have my computer back?
No.
I wanna have my shut.
No!
See, this is what I get. I don't deserve this. Since you don't want to give me my computer back, I feel the agony. What can I take from you? Everybody, follow me. Worldwide. I feel it. Y'all pick me in the room with y'all want to bring to y'all.
I want to follow someone.
The cat? Send him a gun. You know what? I can do that too. I can do that too. You're gonna see?
I can't call nobody.
Yeah, Chaz, don't call nobody though.
You was calling my place. I'll call your place.
Going her shit like always.
I could go on anyway. I'm not on it.
I wonder what she got in her personal stuff.
Well?
No, everybody. I'll tell you where her hiding stash at. You ready? 5, 4, 3. I gotta hurry on do this before she knocks me out. She that aggressive. She will choke slam me. She will body slam me. She will slam Randy Organ and Big Show at the same time. Ready? Here go the stash right here. I gotta hurry on and get over here to get the stash out. Before she turn her back on me and choke the shit out of me. See that?
I was on you up again, Will.
What?
No. on Facebook today.
I'm good.
Yeah,
I'm good.
and I'm gonna
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that mark on her neck.
look on your friend's name and write them an email.
Everybody, you see? See the force she got on me? See? That's not right. See? Watch
And
this.
this is you charge anyway.
Huh? I can't hear you.
Shut up.
Huh?
The cat was like, what the hell are you doing this for?
Don't you think that's so weird, y'all?
Huh? I don't like you.
Everybody should let you know it. Watch this, y'all. I'm gonna get her bad side. I'm gonna tell you a little story about Jess in the head. She can be nice, but she can be also mean too.
I told you. Oh, God.
Damn, I'm missing the video. I can't get out of bed. Oh my God.
I think it goes up high.
I'm gonna tell you a little something about Jess in the head.
It goes up high.
Damn, can't. God damn. Who you talking to? Who you talking to? Talking to? Talking to? Talking to? Talking to?
Bite him.
Gotta tell you, man. Gotta tell you. That's scary. That's scary.
Bite him, Jess.
Tell about her now. See what I get from this? See. Everybody, look at this shot. This shot making. See that?
Oh, you I'm somebody sees that too. A video.
Well, let's see. Look at her. See, everybody, look at. You see, like that? Let's see. Let's see. What can I take from her? The eyeball. No, I did have it in my pants. Don't want no more. I pee on it and stuff.
No, you didn't.
Kind of did.
No, you didn't.
I'm messing with you.
Jess.
God, I really did. I tried it up. Look at her face. Oh, see that? You see that? You see that? I just want to catch her in action. See, y'all don't know the real Jess. She can be violent, greedy, and just Jess. I'm fucking with you. But other side, she can be real. See, I'm trying to be nice. And now, be a nice girl. I'm trying to tell them something. Trying to tell the real something. If I put this on real wide.
No, you're not.
Huh? I'm gonna tell you something. Please put your hand down. Please put your hand down. Please. She will.
Well, nasty and a B-I-Z-D-H.
You hear that, right? You hear that, right? And then the camera's still over there. She said she can be real nasty. I'm cracking the camera. You hear that? I wasn't going to say that, though, but she said it herself. But anyway, I want to get them cheeks. But I love her. No, I can take that on the thing. I gotta kiss her now. She crying. What's our kiss? What's our kiss? Yeah, I'm coming inside. Is she gonna hit me?
Beautiful.
I want a kiss.
No.
See what I'm talking about? Yeah.
Ah!
Yeah, it's how you grab it.
Be careful with that. You're gonna break it.
Yeah, I will break that in it. Yeah, you don't deserve it, kid. So fine.
You break this, you buy me a new one.
There you go. She don't talk about she gonna hit me in that phone. But anyway, in the story, now you know the real Jess. She did still. Oh, you want a lap dance from her? I'll give you her number. I'll give you all her number. So yeah, I'll give you her number. Yeah, I'll send the Facebook to her. Yeah, definitely for sure. You want some booty from her too? Yeah, I'll definitely do that for y'all too.